Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to design a 4-bit combinational circuit by the means of the 4-bit adder, and the overall problem is distributed into the two-stage problem. 4-bit binary array should be utilized on the block components, therefore no need to design its internal circuitry. This is all that statement that's provided. So here we will design the circuit that will take, if it will take the value that is even, then it will add 1 and convert it into the odd number, and if it take the odd number, then without any processing it will show at the output the odd number as well. But if at the second stage I will apply the odd number, it will convert it at the second stage. If I are going to apply the even number, then it will convert it into the odd number. So let's dig in what's happening here. So this is a very easy circuit, but the only one thing that you have to understand about this is this circuit. Actually this circuit is working as an odd and even parity checker. Means that if I am going to apply the number that is odd, it will give the 0 logic state, but if I am going to apply the even number, that then it will give us the 1 logic state. So let's simulate it and show you how. Here you can see that I'm going to apply the even number, means that 10 is an even number. 10 whose actual value is 2 is an even number, then it is activated. But if I am applying 3, means that it is 1, then it is 0, means that it is showing that it is an odd number. So this activation and deactivation will let us understand how this circuit will properly work. This is working as an enabler circuit, and these 4 AND gates are working as an enable because here are 2 enables. Means that if I apply the even number, then it will be 1, then this circuit is enabled, and this circuit is disabled because it is attached by the NOT gate, and then this you can see that the 00 is appearing at the output. So this circuit is enabled, and then it has gone towards the addition IC. The addition IC is 74283, whose one terminal is attached with the output of the odd parity checker. So here you can see that the odd parity has the 1 value here, and it is directly connected with the B NOT terminal, means that it is 0001. And if I have applied the even number, then it will add 1 to this and will appear here. This all the output will be appeared here after the addition of 1. So here you can see that I have applied 10, means that it is 2, and then after the addition of 1 is appeared here, whose actual value is 3, means that it is an odd number. So if I apply the odd number, then this circuit is disabled and this circuit is enabled, and here you can see that the 1 is appearing here, means that it is actual value that we have applied without any processing. The second stage is taking the input and then converting into the output without any processing. And this is the extra circuit that we used for this subtraction. Means that when you apply here the 10 means 2, then it will convert it into the odd number, and then it will go towards this circuit that is performing subtraction when it is at the high logic state. So after the subtraction, the 10 is appearing here, means that from 2 to 3 and then 3 to 2. So all this statement has proven. I hope that you will really enjoy this video. If you really enjoy this video, please don't forget to share, subscribe and like my channel.